What did the Civil Rights Act outlaw for Black Americans? Have you ever wondered how laws can change lives? The Civil Rights Act of 1964 is a prime example of this. This landmark legislation was a game changer for Black Americans and others facing discrimination. It outlawed racial discrimination and segregation in several important areas, fundamentally challenging the old laws that enforced inequality. One of the key areas affected was public accommodations. The act made it illegal to discriminate based on race, color, religion, sex, or national origin in places like hotels, restaurants, theaters, and stores. This meant that Black Americans could finally access these facilities on equal terms with others. Imagine being able to walk into a restaurant without fear of being turned away simply because of your skin color. Education was another major focus. The Civil Rights Act outlawed segregation in public schools. This was a significant step toward integrated education for Black children who had been subjected to separate and unequal schooling for too long. Schools could no longer deny Black students the same quality of education as their white peers. Employment opportunities also saw a major shift. The act made it illegal to discriminate against Black Americans and other minorities in the workplace. This opened doors to jobs that had previously excluded them, allowing for greater economic opportunities. Voting rights were also protected under this legislation. The act banned the unequal application of voter registration requirements, which had been used to disenfranchise Black voters. This was crucial in ensuring that Black Americans could exercise their right to vote without facing unfair barriers. Additionally, Title VI of the Act prohibited discrimination by recipients of federal funds. This meant that any institution receiving government money could not discriminate based on race, color, or national origin. This provision helped to ensure that federal programs were accessible to everyone, regardless of their background. The Civil Rights Act of 1964 was a major victory for the civil rights movement. It reflected the struggles and achievements of countless Black American leaders and activists who fought tirelessly for equality and justice. By outlawing segregation and discrimination in public life, education, employment, and federally funded programs, this act laid the groundwork for dismantling institutional racism and advancing civil rights for Black Americans across the United States.